আচ্ছা, আমি সমস্ত স্টুডেন্টদের রিকোয়েস্ট করছি একটু মাইক তোমাদের মিউট করে দাও সো দ্যাট you can hear me. Okay. I'm requesting everyone to mute your mics, please. Thank you. Kindly কারো একটা মাইক অন আছে, একটু কাইন্ডলি অফ করে দেবে। থ্যাংক ইউ। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা, একটু ওয়েট করো স্টুডেন্টস। আচ্ছা, তোমাদের সাথে প্রথম ক্লাস আমার আজকে। I would like to introduce myself. I'm your teacher. I'm Dr. Swarnali Guha Roy. I hope you can see the slide. দেখতে পাচ্ছ সবাই স্লাইডটা?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, দেখতে পাচ্ছি। ওয়েলকাম আমাদের ক্লাসে।
আচ্ছা, একটা মিনিট। এক মিনিট ওয়েট করো। আচ্ছা, তোমাদের আজকে যে ক্লাসটা আছে, এই ক্লাস 2 বলে তোমার যেটা রুটিনে তোমরা দেখেছো। আচ্ছা, ফার্স্টে তোমরা আমাকে কনফার্ম করো যে সবার কাছে আমি অডিবল হচ্ছে কিনা। অডিবল তো সবার কাছে? শুনতে পাচ্ছ তো প্রত্যেকে?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, হ্যাঁ ম্যাম,
Firstly, good morning to everyone. Okay, very good. Firstly, good morning to everyone.
গুড মর্নিং ম্যাম, গুড মর্নিং।
এবং
গুড মর্নিং ম্যাম।
গুড মর্নিং। ওকে, তো তোমাদের প্রথম আজকে ক্লাস নিচ্ছি। দেখো, সবই অনলাইনে হচ্ছে। তো অফলাইনে হলে আমি তোমাদের সবাইকে দেখতেও পেতাম, কিন্তু সেটা পসিবল এখনো নয়। তোমরা জানো যে প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশন স্টিল গোয়িং অন। তার জন্য এই প্রসেসেই আমাদের ক্লাসটা চালাতে হবে অবভিয়াসলি, এবং এর থেকে তোমরা অবশ্যই এই অনলাইন ক্লাসেস থেকে তোমরা অবশ্যই কিছু শিখবে। অ্যান্ড অ্যাজ ইউ নো, ইট ইজ অলওয়েজ বেটার দ্যান জিরো। কিছু না হওয়ার থেকে তোমরা কিছু শিখতে পারবে এবং পারছো, সেটা কিন্তু সবসময় ভালো। আচ্ছা, তোমাদের আজকে বলো বলো।
Talking in Hindi, ma'am. Talking in Hindi.
যেই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা কমন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, হিন্দিতেও মাঝে মাঝে বলবো, কিন্তু आई कैनॉट चूज हिंदी एज द ओनली लैंग्वेज। ठीक है, हिंदी एक लैंग्वेज के हिसाब से मैं चूज नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर लैंग्वेज का स्टूडेंट है। So I'm talking in English and also in sometimes Hindi and sometimes Bengali.
ম্যাম, হিন্দিতে কথা বলতে পারেন, আমাদের কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
না, এখানে সমস্ত স্টুডেন্টস হিন্দিতে কমফোর্টেবল হবে না।
ম্যাম, ম্যাম আমরা হিন্দিতে বুঝতে পেরে যাব।
বেঙ্গলিতে বলছি।
আমরা
আচ্ছা,
বুঝতে
ইংলিশে
পারছি।
সবাই কমফোর্টেবল তো?
হ্যালো ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই ম্যাম।
সবাই কমফোর্টেবল?
হিন্দি আমরা বুঝতে পারি
ওকে
ম্যাম।
ওকে।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
ইংলিশে তোমরা কমফোর্টেবল? ইংলিশে
Yes,
তোমরা
yes,
কমফোর্টেবল?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Yes ma'am, yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. So in today's class, okay, please cooperate. Please turn off your mics. सबको बोल रही हूँ कि तुम्हारा माइक ऑफ कर दो। जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन होगा तो प्लीज आस्क बाय टर्निंग ऑन द माइक। So today the topic of discussion is technologies all around, as you can see, and all of you are the students of engineering domain. So maybe from different trades, তোমাদের ডিপার্টমেন্ট আলাদা হতে পারে, That means your different departments may be different. Maybe someone from civil, someone maybe from EC, someone maybe from electrical, someone maybe from CST, someone maybe from architecture, mechanical. Okay, so total there are 6 different trades. As you know, in our college we have 6 different trades, 6 different departments are there. So all the students may be from different departments, but today what I'm going to discuss, that will be common for everyone. Okay, সবার জন্য common থাকবে, सभी के लिए common होगा. Okay, ऐसा कोई topic ही मैंने choose किया है, and I hope this particular session will be interesting for you. So first slide will be, firstly, science and technology. As in the first year, in the first semester and also in the second semester, you are going to learn about different science subjects, basic science subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, engineering, mechanics. Okay, different types of common subjects will be there in your first year. That means that will be consisted of the first sem and the second sem. Do you get me? समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
science or technology. So let us first try to understand that what is actually science and what is actually technology. When this question comes in our mind, we get confused sometimes, because if a student will be asked that tell me what is science and what is technology, अगर किसी स्टूडेंट से हम पूछे कि बताओ कि साइंस क्या है और टेक्नोलॉजी क्या है, so the student in the first year or in the school may be in utter confusion. Okay, but what is the basic difference? Let us see the basic definitions. Science is a methodological way of gaining knowledge on a particular subject through observation and experimentation. Okay, that means methodological means what? Methodological means it is some technique we have to apply, or through some method. Say for example, तुम लोग एक example ले लो, say तुमको physics पढ़ना है और chemistry पढ़ना है और mathematics maths करना है. Okay, so in that way, if you want to solve a problem in mathematics, in your school also you have learned about these subjects, right? तुम लोगों ने ये सभी subjects school में पढ़े हो. अभी यहाँ पे फिर से पढ़ने वाले हो with different syllabus and in advanced form. Obviously, when you have to solve a problem in mathematics or in physics or in chemistry, obviously you have to apply some method. If you don't know the method, obviously you cannot solve the problem. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That means, say for example, you have to you have to add 2 numbers. Say 20 plus 20. You have to add 2 numbers. But if you don't know the process of addition, obviously you will not be able to add it. So addition will be the operator for you. Will be the operator. And similarly, if you want to divide, say for example, you want to divide 20 by 5, then divide will be the operator for you, right? That means the division symbol or the division operator will work for you. That means for any kind of technique, you have any kind of problem, you have to apply some method. Okay, say for example, तुम कहीं से कहीं जाना चाहते हो, एक तुम्हारे होम से, तुम्हारे घर से you want to go to the college, तो तुमको वो रास्ता पता होना चाहिए कि हमको कहाँ जाना है, कॉलेज में जाना है, we have to go to the college. So अगर हमको रास्ता पता नहीं है, so obviously you will not be able to reach the college, right? So everything has some methodology, has some route. Route means road map. एक way out होता है सभी का. So technology is what? So what is science? Science is a way or is a method of gaining the basic knowledge of the particular subject. Now you can ask me, what can be the subjects? क्या क्या subjects मैंने बोला है? बोलो. Basic subjects मतलब कौन कौन से subjects? बोलो बताओ.
Math, physics, chemistry.
Physics, chemistry.
Math, physics, chemistry. और इसके अलावा तुम्हारा होगा ई-टेक,
English.
ई-टेक भी हो सकता है, इंजीनियरिंग, ड्राइंग हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो डिपेंड करता है कौन किस डोमेन से हो. तो बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स विल रिमेन फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथमेटिक्स. ओके, एंड इन एडिशन टू दैट देयर कैन बी सम मोर सब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, इसके अलावा भी कोई सब्जेक्ट्स हो सकता है एज पर योर. अच्छा, सेकेंडली यू कैन सी व्हाट इज टेक्नोलॉजी. Technology is the practical or real world application of the scientific knowledge. That means, say for example, you have learned something from the physics subject. Okay, say magnetism. You all know about magnet, I think. You have learned about magnet in your school. Magnet
ma'am.
पता है तुमको? Magnetism. Okay. So magnetism हर किसी को पता होगा. तो अगर मैग्नेटिज्म तुम लोगों को पता है, so that is a part of the physics. Okay, so you have learned through science. And technology is what? Technology is that if you apply the knowledge of magnetism somewhere you are applying the knowledge of magnetism, then that will be the technology. Okay, so magnetism is just an example. So technology is just the application of the scientific knowledge for various purposes. Now, what is this various purposes? Various
Ma'am.
purposes, you know. बोलो, बताओ.
Ma'am, this
Yes.
is physics subject or which subject you are teaching, ma'am?
This is a common subject. This is
Okay,
actually on the recent science and technology that will give you a vision because all of you are the students of engineering, obviously. So at the end of the
Yes.
day, you have to think about some technical way outs. है ना? तुम लोग सभी engineering के student हो, तो सभी को at the end of the day you have to do the engineering. तो इसीलिए तुम लोगों का मैं जो क्लास लेने वाली हूँ और ले रही हूँ, that will be on recent science and technology. Okay, that will be once in a week class, and it's a common class. Every year it is arranged for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next
Okay, thank you.
is technology and us. देखो, science and technology we have came to know. I have already told you the definition. Can anyone tell me what is science? जो मैंने तुम लोगों को बताया. Can anyone tell me what is science and what is technology? Anyone? Please try. Science क्या है? जो हिंदी में बोलते हो विज्ञान, बांग्ला में बोलते हो विज्ञान, हाँ? तो what is it? What is science? क्या बताया मैंने? बोलो, बताओ. Please interact in the class. Yes.
Science is a methodological way of gaining knowledge on a particular subject through observation and experimentation.
Good. Very good. What is your name?
Ma'am, my name is Abirong Armarak.
Okay. Okay. You are from Northeast.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. You have observed.
Thank you.
That is in your definition you told through observation. Very good. And you have observed the answer. That is a very good quality of a student. You always keep this quality, because observation is very important. So what is science? विज्ञान क्या है? विज्ञान क्या है कि हम different way से जो basic knowledge में जो ज्ञान हम धारण करते हैं, जो अपने आप में समाते हैं, उसी को हम बोलते हैं विज्ञान और साइंस। बांग्लाয় যাকে বলি আমরা বিজ্ঞান। Technology, what I have told you about technology, can anyone tell me? What is the difference between science and technology? Are they same? क्या ये दो same है? Science and technology? Why they are not same?
Because technology is a part of a
Technology is a part of a science.
Technology is a practical and real world.
Practical, right? It is a practical application. Practical
Yes.
application. Acha. Right. So here you can see in this slide, very good. You have interacted very well. That is very much required. Is another very good quality of a student to interact in the class with the teachers. Keep this quality. Okay. टेक्नोलॉजी एंड अस, देखो टेक्नोलॉजी तो है ना, जिसको हम बोलते हैं प्रजुक्ति, बांग्ला में बोलते हैं, तो टेक्नोलॉजी तो है ना। व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड अस? अगर टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं होता तो हमारा क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम होता? प्रॉब्लम यही होता कि हम जो सॉल्व कर रहे हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी, वी आर सॉल्विंग डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स। टेक द सिंपल एग्जांपल ऑफ द कोविड-19. Over this COVID-19 pandemic situation, you have seen different technical advancements have taken place, right? Different advancements हुआ है, और different technical advancement के वजह से ही और हमारे awareness के वजह से ही अभी तक हम सब more or less safe है, right? In the COVID-19 situation. So over this COVID-19 situation also, like different other pandemic or different other hazardous situation, technology has helped us a lot. तुम ही बताओ help किया है कि नहीं? Over this COVID-19 situation, technology has helped us or not?
हाँ मैडम हेल्प
देखो,
हेल्प করেছে ম্যাডাম,
Help us, ma'am.
হেল্প করেছে।
টেকনোলজি
all of you
হেল্পফুল
agree
ফর
with
ওমেন।
हाँ, तो देखो अभी तुम लोग हिंदी में बोलने को बोले हो तुम लोग, तो मैं मिक्स करके ही बोल रही हूँ। अभी तुम लोग सभी क्लास कर रहे हो, तो क्लास कर रहे हो ओवर द डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. You are using the digital platform of the GoToMeeting app. So obviously it is also the blessing of the technology that has made the teachers to take the class and help the students to attend the class. Just imagine if this application is not with you. No, nothing, no mobile phone is with you, no such digital platform is with you, then will you be able to attend the class? Will I be able to take the class? No. So obviously this is also a very good blessing. Obviously blessings are always good. It is a very important way out that has given by the technology. Here you can see technology has become an essential part of our everyday life. Just try to think over it. Once in a morning, you wake up and you don't find your mobile phone. What will happen? In your home, one fine morning, you find no phones at your phone. That will be very much difficult for you. कि प्रॉब्लम होगा कि नहीं बताओ?
हाँ मैडम
अगर घर में राइट, अगर घर में कोई फोन नहीं है तो that will be problematic. That will, because without phone we cannot communicate with anyone. And in today's life, what the lifestyle we are leading, without mobile phone, everything is within the mobile phone, is in the cloud, obviously. So in every step we require the mobile phone, and with the help of the different applications, we can do different things. Okay. So secondly, you can see it plays an important role in making our lives simple. Just think, without technology, our life will be complicated. Okay. Say if you go to the kitchen, and you have been told that you have to go to the forest. Okay, forest में जाके तुमको wood लाना पड़ेगा, or then you have to cook. Okay, you don't have any gas oven. Okay, then that means that you don't have any technology, right? So if you don't have any technology at your kitchen also, then that will be difficult for the person to cook. So everywhere in the from kitchen, from at your different parts of your home, every part in education, everywhere, technology has become inevitable. We cannot replace it with anything. And every day, over this pandemic situation, over this 1.5 year period or 2 years period, the technology has gone to the next level. Technology next level में चला गया. Okay, it has gone to the next level. It plays a very important role. The development of new technologies always helped to save lives, to improve work, and makes the world better. Obviously, you cannot deny it, because with the help of the technology, our lives have become better. But one thing we have to always keep in mind, we have to control the technology. We have, say for example, if some student will be addicted to the mobile phone, that is not good. That is not the way out. That means we have to use the technology in a better way. In a better way. Okay. So it depends on the people whether they will use it or misuse it. तो तुम लोग क्या करना चाहते हो? तुम टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करना चाहते हो और मिसयूज करना चाहते हो? बताओ.
Use, ma'am.
Obviously, you have to use it.
Use kar.
But never get addicted to anything. That without, say, one morning you find that your mobile phone is damaged and you start crying. Okay, no, don't do it, because you have to go to the shop and you make it and you repair it. Okay, you have to, as an engineer, as a responsible citizen of the country, you have to always find out the solution. We cannot stay with the problems. We have to find out the solution. Now, then you can see here, there are various examples of the applications of science and technology in our daily lives. As you can see, as you all know, you can also give me some examples. As you can see here also, clocks, watches, air conditioners, television, refrigerators, computers, mobile phones, medical equipments, and all kinds of automation we use are the outcome of the technology. We obtain it from the technology. But where from we obtain the knowledge? We obtain the knowledge from science. And what the application we are doing is actually technology. Acha, can anyone tell me, as you all are the students of engineering, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of engineering?
इंजीनियरिंग मतलब लोगों का काम आसान करना.
काम आसान. Okay, very good. Okay, one definition I obtained. Anyone else? और कोई बताना चाहेगा?
Ma'am, problem solver.
Problem solver. Okay, good. The engineering, actually, the meaning of engineering means why engineering means to control something. Say you have a fan at your home, and in the winter, when the temperature is dropping, टेम्परेचर तो हर टाइम सेम नहीं रहता. टेम्परेचर कम होता है, ज्यादा होता है. तो टेम्परेचर जब कम होता है, तब हम क्या करते हैं? फैन का स्पीड क्या करते हैं? डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज करते हैं. क्या करते हैं?
Decrease.
क्या करते हैं? डिक्रीज करते हैं, कम करते हैं. राइट. और इन द समर, व्हेन द समर कम्स, वी इंक्रीज द स्पीड ऑफ द फैन to what extent it is possible. So what you are doing with the speed of the fan? You are controlling the speed of the fan. Okay. किससे control करते हो? With the help of the regulator. With the help of the regulator, you control the speed of the fan. sometimes if the regulator is broken, अगर regulator टूटा हुआ होगा, so obviously we cannot control the speed of the fan. Okay, so ये जो हम control कर रहे हैं, इसको भी हम बोल सकते हैं, it is also a kind of engineering. Engineering means you are doing something with something. That means you are controlling something. You are controlling some parameters. That is called engineering. Okay, so all the definitions are correct. That is to solve the problem. That means if you take the example of the fan, in the example of the fan also, if in the winter, you have to decrease the speed of the fan, right? अगर winter में तुम fan का speed ज़्यादा maximum रखोगे, तो जम ही जाओगे. Okay. अगर summer में तुम speed कम रखोगे, minimum रखोगे, then that will be problematic for you. Okay. So obviously, as per the convenience, as per the requirement, we have to control everything. Okay. So let us see some simple techniques, which are very crude techniques all around. Here in this picture, you can see different types of shapes. You can see here, inclined plane, wedge shaped. In the first year also, you will came to know about these shapes. And school level also, you have learnt about the lever, pulley. पता है तुम लोगों को ये सब? Lever, pulley, screw, wedge,
Yes, ma'am.
wheel. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
just see. Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So just see the first example.
Yes.
With the help of this inclined plane, this person
Yes,
is
ma'am.
pulling up this product or pulling up this box into the cart. Okay, that means ये person जो ऊपर में ले जा रहा है, जो box को, वो कैसे possible हो रहा है? Due to this inclined plane, right? So this is a very simple technique. Obviously, it's a very simple technique. Just you have to cut some shape in this particular shape. You have to cut some wood piece in this particular shape. But what is the intellect behind? Just try to find out the intellect इसके पीछे क्या है. ये जो human brain, it is the output of the human brain. The human has found out this solution. So what is this? Is this science or technology? Tell me. Is this science or technology?
Science,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
technology.
Science.
Science, ma'am.
Is
Science, ma'am.
science
Science.
is
Science, ma'am.
science is shape. Okay.
ma'am.
And with the help of that, where we are applying is the technology. Okay, if you remember the definition I have told you, that is science will give you the basic knowledge and technology where you will apply your knowledge. Say for example, throughout the whole semester, you will learn about different subjects. But at the end of the semester, at the exam, you have to write. That means you have to apply your knowledge there. So that is not the technology, that is the outcome. So in this case, we can say that the technology is a child of science, or you can say science is the mother of technology. Wheel and axle, you can see two different circular pieces of wood and one cylindrical shape has made this wheel and axle. And just imagine if we don't have this kind of shapes, today the vehicles we use, the wheels, in the cars or in the bicycles, what the wheels we use, जो wheels हम use करते हैं, वो wheels हम use नहीं कर पाते अगर ये shapes नहीं होता, right? So all these shapes have some background. कहीं से ये शुरू हुआ है. Okay. Then you can see the wedge shaped. So here you can see the hacksaw. Hacksaw, it is a kind of cutter, not hacksaw. It is a kind of cutter, and the shape of the cutter is, you can see, the wedge shaped. So wedge shaped means one side is sharp. एक side इसका sharp होगा. But that sharp side will cut the wood. or any kind of material. So that is also a kind of technology. Then you can see the screw. Agar screw nahi hota, that will also a big problem. If you consider different kinds of bridges, different kinds of bridges where we have to use the screws, or in any kind of wooden furniture, or in different kinds of parts also that you use in at your home or in our daily lives, everywhere in most of the cases we have to use some screwing technique. Screw. The screw is also, you can see, screw में क्या अलग है, ये जो shape है, इसका जो particular shape है, यही different है. Screws can be of different shapes, different sizes, but the technique will remain the same. Then you can see the same technique is applied here when you have to close some lid of a bottle, okay, or some vessel. You have to apply. क्या हम क्या करते हैं, अगर किसी की एक हमारे पास एक बॉटल है, उसका नेक का जो लिड है उसको हम अगर बंद करना चाहते हैं तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमको उसे घुमाना पड़ेगा. अगर हम उसे क्लोज कर रहे हैं तो हम दैट विल बी डन इन द क्लॉकवाइज वे. अगर अब हम उसे ओपन कर रहे हैं तो दैट विल बी डन इन द एंटी क्लॉकवाइज वे. ओके, डू यू एग्री विथ मी? अगर किसी लीड को हम बंद कर दें तो हम क्लॉकवाइज वे से हम घुमाएंगे. अगर उसे ओपन कर रहे हैं दैट विल बी डन इन द एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. दिस फीचर इज अप्लाइड एवरीवेयर. If you take the example of the screw also, if you take a screw and if you take a screwdriver, then you have to rotate the screw in the clockwise when you want to push it, and when you want to pluck it out, pull it out, then you have to rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction. So then comes the lever. Lever, where you have seen it? Can anyone tell me? This kind of shape. Lever, where you have seen it at your childhood?
Park.
The seesaw.
Ma'am, seesaw.
ম্যাডাম স্বাধীনতা দিবস, ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডে।
Park.
ম্যাডাম পার্ক
দেখেছো? Park দেখেছো, right?
ম্যাম পার্ক
পার্কে দেখেছি।
Right. পার্কে দেখেছি। উঠেছো কখনো? সিসতে উঠেছো? উঠেছো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম,
হ্যাঁ, তো মাঝখানে যে শেপটা থাকে এর মধ্যে একটা সিম্পল ফিজিক্স আছে। হ্যাঁ, রাইট, ঠিক আছে। তো এর মধ্যে একটা সিম্পল ফিজিক্স আছে। ফিজিক্সটা কি, যে একটা জিনিস লক্ষ্য করে দেখবে যে সিসতে ওঠারও কিন্তু একটা টেকনিক আছে। সবাই কিন্তু সিসতে প্লে করতে পারে না। তো ওখানে কিন্তু ওয়েটটাও তো ইম্পর্টেন্ট, যে একদিকে যদি কারো যদি ওয়েট কম থাকে আর যদি অন্যদিকে তার ওয়েট যদি বেশি থাকে, যেই দিকে ওয়েট বেশি থাকবে সেই দিকেই ওটা ঝুঁকে থাকবে। ওকে, so obviously the weight on both the sides is very important. One is of lighter weight, another is of heavy weight on the other side, will not be able to balance it. Okay, then comes the part of the force also is also very important there. Now what is important, you can see below this slab, you can see there is a wedge shaped part. Follow the cursor. There is a wedge shaped part, which you have seen here. Wedge shape. So everywhere in many applications we use this kind of shapes. So in your first year, maybe in the first or second semester, there is a part of drawing, and in the drawing you have to learn how you can draw different types of shapes. That is also a very important for you, for the engineers to learn. Very important. Then you can see the pulley. Pulley, where you have seen in the wells, from where the water is taken out, we have seen the pulley wheels like this. Okay, and with the help of this pulley we can easily draw something. Okay, कुछ भी उठा सकते, मतलब अगर एक वेल होगा वहां से हम बकेट करके पानी उठा सकते हैं. That is also a part of the technology that that has also make our lives better, that has given the easy solutions. These are some crude examples I have told you. Next, I will be going to that part that we use every day. Now also some students may be using. Are you using the earphones or headphones now? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means earphones. Okay, very good. So earphones or headphones are also the outcome of technology. Their simple physics has been applied, simple engineering has been applied, and then we get the technology. Okay, and every day nowadays, earphones are a very important part of our lives, because to listen to something in a very good way, in a better way, we always require the earphones or headphones. Now headphones can be of different types. So here you can see some headphones. Okay, so the first one, you can see some wired and wireless devices. Okay, wired devices means where there will be some wiring part. Okay, जो तार से जुड़ा हुआ होगा, wiring होगा जहाँ पे, that is a wired devices. और जहाँ पे कोई तार नहीं होगा, कोई wire नहीं होगा, that will be the wireless devices. Can anyone tell me, apart from this headphone, earphone, इसके अलावा और कोई एग्जाम्पल मुझे कोई बता सकता है जो वायरलेस है? Anyone?
Ma'am, mouse and
Bluetooth.
keyboard.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth speaker.
और
Ma'am,
इसके
Bluetooth
अलावा
speaker.
Bluetooth
Bluetooth.
Internet, ma'am.
Network frequency.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, now time ma'am wireless charging. Wireless charging, iPhone का wireless charging.
मोबाइल फोन क्या है, वायरलेस और नॉट वायरलेस? What is
Wireless.
mobile?
Wireless ma'am.
Obviously.
Wireless
That
कैसे
means
बोल सकते हैं
mobile
मैम
phone-
इसमें?
Wireless, ma'am. Wireless.
mobile phone is a wireless, and the land
Yes ma'am.
Wireless.
is
Wireless.
not wireless. Land phone, I'm not talking about the wireless thing. देखो land phone की, अच्छा माइक थोड़ा सा बंद कर दो, प्लीज टर्न ऑफ द माइक्स. देखो अभी मोबाइल फोन is always wireless. As a name given, mobile. Mobile means, that means you can move with it. It has from which word the name has been given mobile phone. कहाँ से आया नाम मोबाइल का, बताओ कौन से वर्ड से आया? वो वर्ड है mobility. Mobility means it is the power to move, in simple words. Okay, that means अगर मोबाइल फोन एक जगह पे फिक्स्ड होता तो वो क्या हो जाता? दैट विल बी द लैंड फोन. तो मोबाइल फोन और लैंड फोन तो सेम नहीं हो सकता. तो लैंड फोन हम देखे हैं कि वहां पे तार होता है, वायर होता है, तो दैट विल बी द वायर्ड वन. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड द मोबाइल फोन इज वायरलेस. ओके, so you can take the example of the mobile phone, which is also wireless. Now here,
Ma'am,
please turn
wireless
on
mouse. Ma'am, wireless mouse.
okay, turn off the mic.
Wireless microphone.
Wireless microphone, right? Okay.
ম্যাম এখন যে ল্যান্ডলাইন,
Turn off-
অনেক ল্যান্ডলাইন মানে ওয়্যারলেস এসে
হ্যাঁ।
গেছে মনে হয়।
हाँ, wireless एसे गए. I'm talking about the previous ones जो हम पहले use करते थे, that will were the wired ones, and wireless is also available with us nowadays. Okay, okay. So here you can see this is the wired earphone. The yellow color, you can see different types of, in different colors and different designs. These wireless earphones are available with us. Then you can see the headphone. It is also wired. Okay, with wire. The first one is also with wire. Second one is also with wire. Okay. Now it is a microphone. It is also with wire. Okay. Then what is the problem? Why we are moving towards wireless? वायर्ड में क्या प्रॉब्लम था जो हम वायरलेस में जा रहे हैं? क्योंकि दैट विल बी इजियर टू हैंडल. अगर किसी भी माइक्रोफोन में, से इफ यू कंसिडर दिस थर्ड एग्जांपल जहाँ पे वायर है, ओके, अगर हम वायर wired से wireless की तरफ जा रहे हैं, मतलब we are improving. Why? Because that will be easier to handle. अगर किसी भी device में wired नहीं है, that will be easier for us to handle. Then you can see this picture. Follow the cursor. You can see different types of headphones, earphones are here. All these are Bluetooth headphones or earphones, earbuds. Different things are available nowadays. Then you can see the wireless mouse. You have to charge it. It is also a Bluetooth.
Wireless keyboard.
Yes, wireless keyboard is also there. You can use it. And then comes, but everything you have to charge it. Otherwise, you will not be able to use. Then it is the wireless speaker. The different kinds of wireless speakers are available. All those are Bluetooth speakers. And then comes the wireless TV is also, you can connect your device with the TV. Nowadays, the smart TVs you are having. If you have the smart TV, in the LED smart TVs,
Wireless
they are
AC.
available. Yes? What? बताओ?
Wireless AC.
Wireless AC. AC तो wireless ही होता है. Okay, we can connect it with the Bluetooth, because nowadays for home automation, we can control the temperature of the AC in a wireless way by using some remote control, or by using our mobile phones. We can connect our mobile phones with the AC, but the AC should be compatible. AC भी वैसा ही होना पड़ेगा, otherwise we cannot use it. Then you can see the wireless microphone. It is also a Bluetooth microphone. So all these things you know. Okay, what you don't know. Come to. I hope all of you know the symbol of Bluetooth, which you are also seeing here. Do you know the meaning of this? Anyone? Do you know the meaning of the symbol? Why the symbol is given so?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth symbol that if you open up any kind of mobile phones nowadays, that may not be the smartphone. अगर वो phone smartphone भी नहीं है, वहाँ पे भी Bluetooth होता है. Okay, so let us see the significance of this symbol. You can see it is a combination of two symbols. These two are the Nordic alphabets, or for simplicity, you can consider these are the Roman alphabets. And the first alphabet is the H. It's like a asterisk mark. You can see it's like a star mark, but the meaning of this is H, as you can see here. Second one is a Nordic B. Okay, it is a Nordic H and it is a Nordic B. And finally, if you combine them together, you will get a symbol like this. And this is a very common symbol today. It is a Bluetooth symbol. Okay, but what is the meaning of this? Why it is so called? Actually, there is a history behind. If you learn about the Bluetooth, actually two companies were working on Bluetooth. Actually, okay, let me first tell you about this, otherwise we'll not be able to understand. Bluetooth is a wireless technology. Okay. Okay, if someone is not talking, please turn off the mic. The noise is coming. Okay, Bluetooth is a wireless technology that allows the exchange of data between different devices. Exchange of data means, say for example, you have two different mobile phones. And if you want to send some files or some pictures or some music from one mobile phone to another mobile phone, the easiest way, nowadays you can use the Wi-Fi, you can use with the help of the Wi-Fi, you can also send it through WhatsApp or through email or any other kind of applications. But Bluetooth is a very simple, and for this you don't require any Wi-Fi connection. So it is a wireless technology, and by the help of this you can send the files from one device to another. Now, the two devices may not be the mobile phones. Okay, I'm just giving you the example of two different mobile phones. But one device may be your television, other device may be your phone, one device may be the printer, the other device may be your mobile phone. Say for example, you want to take a printout. Say for example, you have a printer at your home and you have connected your mobile phone with your printer. Then you can easily take out printouts from that mobile phones without any kind of connection, without any kind of physical connection. It is completely wireless. So the two devices you are connecting, printer is a fixed device, right? You cannot move if you have, अगर तुम्हारे घर में एक printer होगा, तुमको कहीं पे उसको रखना पड़ेगा. That means वो fixed हो गया, वो place पे change तो कर ही सकते हो. That means you can connect the mobile phone with a fixed device, or you can connect the two mobile phones, or you can connect the two mobile devices. Mobile devices does not mean that two of them will be the mobile phones. Secondly, you can see the second point. Bluetooth is a wireless technology. That is the same. Okay, third one. Most Bluetooth devices have a maximum connectivity range of about 30 feet, and that distance is reduced when obstacles such as a wall are present. That is, do you know about it? I hope you know about it. That is, if it is obviously a short distance communication. If you keep two mobile phones far apart, अगर दो mobile phone के बीच में distance ज़्यादा होगा, so obviously that will not allow you to send the files. Okay? So अगर तुमको file send करना है, so obviously the distance between the phone or between the devices should be below 30 feet. ये maximum है. But depending on the type of the Bluetooth you are using or the power of the Bluetooth of that particular device, you can the distance may maximum can be 30 feet. Okay. But if अगर तुम separate room में हो, the distance अगर 30 feet से कम भी है, अगर तुम separate room में भी हो, फिर भी वो file नहीं जाएगा. क्यों? Because in that case the wall may be the obstacle between the two rooms. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है जो बोल रहे हैं हम?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
understand?
हाँ मैम.
That means
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
between
ma'am.
the two rooms.
हाँ मैम.
Okay, that means between the two rooms, if there will be a wall, then there will be no communication between the two Bluetooth devices. That means whenever you are transferring the files from one mobile to another mobile, the pairing of the two devices, that may be one from your mobile phone to printer, from one mobile phone to another mobile phone, the pairing of the two devices, frequency matching of the two devices is very important. Is very important. Otherwise, the overall thing will be wrong. Okay. Bluetooth is often used to pair mobile phones, as you can see here. Just read it out.
Okay ma'am.
Their devices with other mobile phone or fixed devices. Fixed devices, it can be printer, or it can be other kind of machine like fax, or in other kind of machine. This or TV. Okay. This could be your earbuds. Earbuds means it is also a kind of earphone. Your car. Nowadays, what the high-tech car people are using, Bluetooth connection is there. So you can easily listen to the music from your mobile phone on the stereo player present in the car with the help of the Bluetooth. And your smart fridge, refrigerator. Smart fridge, nowadays you can monitor the temperature of the fridge inside the fridge or different other things with the help of the Bluetooth connection. But it is often also working in ways that are less immediate apparent, such as linking a printer, linking a mouse to a computer. So as you have seen here, that is, if you want to link a wireless mouse with the computer or you want to link a wireless keyboard with the tablet or with the computer or with the laptop. Okay, in all the cases you have to connect it through Bluetooth. So what is Bluetooth? How you can define a Bluetooth? It is a kind of what? Can you tell me? It is a wireless technology. It is a wireless technology that allows the exchange of data. These are very common knowledges. Despite यहाँ पे तुम different trade से हो, as I've already told you, 6 different departments से हो, लेकिन ये simple knowledge I hope सबके लिए जरूरी है, जानना जरूरी है. Because whenever you are using some technology, you should know about everything about the technology in a very well manner. In the last point, you can see Bluetooth is a short range wireless technology standard. Short range. Always remember, we cannot transfer the files when the two mobile phones or the two devices are very far apart. The distance is very important. Okay. Bluetooth is the shortlist wireless communication standard, and the frequency range, I hope you know, 2.402 gigahertz to 2.48 gigahertz. Do you know what is the meaning of gigahertz or gigahertz? Do you know about
मैम
it?
एक बार बोलो ना तो.
Gigahertz. That means, do you know about hertz? What is hertz? Hertz is the unit of frequency. You know it. Frequency का unit है hertz. So 1 gigahertz is actually 10 to the power 9 hertz. Okay? 10 to the power 9 hertz. 10 to the power 9 का मतलब क्या है? 1 के बाद 9 zeros will be there. Okay? That means it is a great number. It is a very high number, right? It is a very high number. Hello,
Ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What becomes given? That is
What is
1
giga?
gigahertz. Yes, equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
10 to the power 9 hertz. It is a big
Oh.
number. Can you imagine how much large the frequency is? So one question may come in your mind, that is it harmful for our health to use this high frequency? Sometimes whenever we are using some headphone, which is Bluetooth headphone for a long time. Okay, please mute your mic. Okay. Okay. So sometimes when you are using your Bluetooth headphone for a long time, sometimes it is said that health hazards may take place. It is not good to use Bluetooth headphone or Bluetooth earphone for a long time. Don't use it for a long time. Okay, you can use it for some time, and it is also easy to use, but don't use it for a long time. Why? Because the frequency range is very high. Okay. Do you know where this frequency range is used? Have you seen microwave oven? I hope yes. Microwave
ma'am.
oven,
Yes.
where we
Yes,
put
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
the frequency inside the microwave oven is in the range of gigahertz. Okay, which is also very high. So sometimes it is told that whenever you are using your Bluetooth headphone, you are putting your head in the microwave oven. So do we want to put our head in the microwave oven? No. So obviously, what does it mean? Actually, the meaning of that is we don't have to use, we should not use this kind of gadgets for a long time. Okay, that means for but in your mobile phone itself may have some hazardous radiation. Okay, that will also be harmful for our health. Mobile phone itself. So it is also recommended not to use your mobile phone throughout the day. Okay, it is not recommended always. So in the similar way, for the Bluetooth headphones, I'm not talking about the other type of, that is, I'm not talking about the Bluetooth mouse, I'm not talking about the Bluetooth speaker, I'm not talking about the Bluetooth TV or microphone or keyboard. I'm talking about the Bluetooth earphone or headphone, because it is connected with your ear or with your head. It is not good to use the Bluetooth earphone or headphone for a very long time. But what kind of technique, just listen to it. तुमको I would think ये समझ में नहीं आएगा अभी कि यहाँ पे जो टेक्निक यूज होता है for this kind of connection, it is called the frequency hopping spread spectrum. ये टेक्निक हॉपिंग का मतलब पता है? हॉपिंग इंग्लिश वर्ड, हॉपिंग का मतलब क्या है? तो हम बोलते हैं ना, जब भी दुर्गा पूजा होता है या कोई फेस्टिवल होता है, हम लोग यूज करते हैं कि पैंडल हॉपिंग. डू यू नो अबाउट इट? व्हाट इज इट?
No, ma'am.
पैंडल हॉपिंग. প্যান্ডেল হপিং মিন্স ঘুরে ঘুরে ঠাকুর দেখা. ওকে, আমরা যখন ঠাকুর দেখি যে এক প্যান্ডেল, হ্যাঁ, একটা প্যান্ডেল থেকে অন্য প্যান্ডেলে, ইয়েস ইয়েস, বলো বলো বলো. হ্যাঁ, আরেকবার প্লিজ রিপিট.
হপিং মানে আশা করা তো।
হপিং মানে হচ্ছে একটা জায়গা থেকে আরেকটা জায়গায় মুভ করা, ঠিক আছে? কিন্তু কিভাবে মুভ করা? মানে ইটস লাইক ইউ হ্যাভ টু জাম্প, ইউ আর জাম্পিং ফ্রম ওয়ান প্লেস টু আনাদার প্লেস. ওকে, সো এটাকে বলা হয় হপিং. এই যে ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি হপিং কেন বললাম, তোমরা হ্যাকিং এর নাম শুনেছো? হ্যাকিং,
Yes, yes.
hacking is two kinds of hacking. Okay, please mute your mics. So hacking can be of two types. One is ethical hacking, another is unethical hacking. That is, it is not good. Hacking, unethical hacking is not good. Okay, so what the engineers have done, what they have done, Bluetooth can be and can cause some insecurity. That is, say for example, you are transferring some file from one mobile phone to another mobile phone, but in between you found the other mobile phone is not receiving the file. Okay, तुमने वो फाइल भेज दिया है वन मोबाइल फोन से, तुमने अनदर मोबाइल फोन के लिए तुमने एक फाइल भेज दिया है, लेकिन देख रहे हो कि दूसरा मोबाइल फोन पे तुम फाइल रिसीव कर नहीं रहे. That means the data is lost somewhere. Somewhere may have taken up your data. That may be the hacking. और ये भी हो सकता है कि तुम वो डेटा रिसीव कर रहे हो दूसरे फोन में, लेकिन दूसरा कोई भी तुम्हारा वो डेटा देख पा रहा है. That is called the hacking in simple words. So Bluetooth जिन लोगों ने इन्वेंट किया था, उन लोगों ने देखा कि यहाँ पे इसको मोर सिक्योर करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इनिशियली जो टेक्निक था उसके इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ, फिर उसके बाद अभी ब्लूटूथ को हैक करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. इट इज वेरी मच सिक्योर्ड. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी हॉपिंग स्प्रेड स्पेक्ट्रम टेक्निक. बिकॉज इन एवरी सेकेंड 16,000 टाइम्स फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज करे. ओके, 16,000 टाइम्स. और in simple words, it also said it is nearly about 100 times frequency change করে, বারবার করে একটা. দেখো কখন, বলো তো কখন হ্যাকিং হতে পারে? যখন হ্যাকার যে ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি ফিক্স করেছে তার সাথে আমাদের যে কমিউনিকেশন, that means what kind of communication we are having, if the frequency of our communication will match up with the frequency of communication, with the hacker's communication, then the hacking will take place. In everyday life also, we use this word. तुम लोग भी शायद यूज करते हो कि इसके साथ मेरा फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच होता है. बोलते हो कि नहीं? Yes or no? Yes or no? बताओ. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कभी कभी कि इसके साथ मेरा फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच होता है. मतलब हम जो बोलते हैं इसको समझ में आता है. ओके, So इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर frequency matching नहीं होगा, say you are calling to some number, you are calling someone over phone. अगर frequency match नहीं होगा, तो वो phone call कभी नहीं लगेगा. Okay, so frequency matching is very important everywhere. So Bluetooth में क्या होता है? इतना rapidly frequency change होता है हर second में. इसके लिए hacker के लिए possible नहीं है कि एक frequency को tap कर ले. Okay, that is the advantage of using the Bluetooth. It is a safest way, even safer than Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi से भी safe है Bluetooth. Okay, that's all for today. I think this kind of topics will be helpful for you. So what I told you, do remember, don't forget. Okay, so I want to summarize my class. What I have told you, can you summarize? Anyone can summarize? The student from Northeast, will you like to try to summarize? Yes. What I have told you from the very beginning. बोलो क्या क्या बताएं?
Ma'am, you have told about difference between science and technology.
Yes. Then
And technology and us. And ma'am, then examples of
Major us.
technology.
Yes. Then
And ma'am, you
have
have
to
told
remember
about Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. And apart from this, I've also told about different simple things
Yes,
like
ma'am.
different shapes, different types of structures that we use in our everyday life. So then I told you about the wired and wireless devices, generally what we use, and also told you about the Bluetooth. And in the next class, I will tell you why the name has been given, why the Bluetooth name has been given. So one thing you should always remember, everyone, that is Bluetooth is a union of two devices, or you can connect maximum 8 devices in a Bluetooth. That is also a very good advantage. It is a very important advantage of using the Bluetooth. That is maximum you can connect 8 Bluetooth devices together with one gadget. So it is very useful to transfer the files or any kind of documents. And always do remember the frequency range. What is the frequency range of the Bluetooth?
2.40
Right?
gigahertz.
30 feet.
Gigahertz, 2.48 gigahertz. Okay, so what is 1 gigahertz? 1 gigahertz equal to how much hertz?
10 to the power 9.
10 to
10 to the power 9.
10 to the
Nine.
power 9. Very good. And what is the distance we have to maintain for Bluetooth file transfer?
30 feet.
30 feet.
30 feet, ma'am.
It is about 30. But if a wall will come, then what will happen? If any obstacle will come, what will happen? Then there will be no file exchange. Okay, so we should
Yes.
be very much careful what kind of obstacles we are having in between the two Bluetooth devices. Okay, that's all for today. It's nice to have you all in the class. Thank you. Have a good time.